Microsoft is rolling out a visual update to the battery indicator in the latest Windows 11 Insider preview build. This update introduces color-coded battery icons, allowing users to quickly assess their device's battery status. In a blog post, Microsoft stated, "These icons have been designed to communicate the battery status of your PC with just a quick glance." Key changes include colored icons to indicate charging states, simplified overlays that don't block the progress bar, and an option to turn on the battery percentage. The updated icons use black, yellow, green, and red colors to depict different battery conditions. Black indicates the battery is in normal mode, green shows that it is charging, yellow signals that the laptop is in power saver mode, and red stands for critically low battery. This update is currently rolling out to Windows Insiders in the dev channel, with a wider release planned in the coming days. Unlike some of the recently revealed AI features, which are limited to PCs with Copilot Plus branding, this new capability will come to all laptops running on Windows 11. Alongside the new icons, Microsoft is also introducing an optional battery percentage indicator, which will appear next to the battery icon when enabled. This has been one of the most requested features from Windows Insiders and general users alike.